here's how to download an app from the Apple App Store on your iPad. Find the App Store icon. In this case, it's the blue letter A, upper right corner. Tap that, and you'll be brought to the App Store home screen. Look for the search icon in the lower right corner. Tap that, and then start typing the name of the app that you want to download. So I'm going to download Google Docs and search for it. So you can see there's actually a number of apps that show up, including Microsoft Word, but at the very top is Google Docs. If you see a symbol that looks like a cloud symbol, that means you've already downloaded it before and you're just basically downloading it from the cloud. So I'm going to tap that. And so it's downloading Google Docs, and as soon as that little download timer finishes up, that means it's available on the iPad to open up. Taking a little bit more time, downloading it via Wi-Fi. And almost ready. So now it's ready. All I need to do is just tap open, and we're good to go.